Imagination, imagination, only in my imagination. Is the sun lopsided and the birds fly sideways, and I shape the sky with a heavenly smile on my face, and I draw Picassos and I spray paint Banksies, and we live on LOVE like it was our salaries, and we plant these seeds that we call ideas, and they grow like trees bearing fruits on twigs, and we just don't leave cause we like it here, making Shangri-La inside of our heads. Imagine it.